Hey guys, Scott here with another video. Today I want to share with you what the new updates are for the high ticket accelerator. There are a lot of new changes, new website, the new price structure, all that good stuff. So stay tuned. And if you stay to the end, and if you're watching this right now, when I publish this, you have the chance of getting a better deal on the current high ticket accelerator. So stay tuned. All right, you guys, if you've been following my channel, you've been hearing a lot about my high ticket affiliate accelerator program that I'm a part of and that I've been promoting. Well, they've kind of rebranded it to the high ticket accelerator, so leaving out the affiliate. Although this high ticket sales and training really does go great with affiliate marketing, but it can also go well with anything really, if you're a realtor or if you sell e-commerce, etc. So the high ticket Accelerator is an awesome program that will teach you from where you're literally not making any sales at all, or maybe you're in between, or maybe you're here, and this will just go beyond. A lot of it is traffic generation and kind of automation, etc. So today I'm going to share with you the new changes. So here is the new website. Now you'll see that it doesn't even say high ticket accelerator at the top. This is chatting about the Transcend, and they're just really focusing, really trying to simplify the program that they're trying to go after right now, and that's just the Transcend Accelerator. The reason why is because there were 4 different programs before. There was the Awaken, which is the highest, which was $5,000, then the Transcend, which is $2,500, and then there was like a $1,000 product and then a $500 product. The $500 product was just to get your feet wet, kind of understand how affiliate marketing and online marketing is set up. But now they're just like, okay, let's just go after the Transcend, which will teach you how to get the foundation set up, give you the best techniques of how to do traffic from YouTube and traffic from Facebook, and be able to do it in a way where you can scale beyond $10,000 a month, etc. So that is the vision of Joshua Elder and Brian Dixon. These two guys are the leaders. It used to be 4. There was kind of a little bit of a falling out, but that's okay. These guys are in it to win it. They're here to stay long term. They're focused, and they met up just recently in Colorado, shot some videos, and they're just all about really honing in and making this a successful product. And they're kind of trying to just overall value it as something that you would pay for something in college. You know, I mean, everybody pays for like a 4-year degree that can cost you $50,000 or whatever, you know, just high dollar courses that's just traditional type of learning. Well, why pay for something like that when you can pay to learn from the pros of how they're doing it right now and doing it right here on the internet? And so I've been through their courses already, and I really see the value in it. They teach in a really simple way, and it's all laid out, and you know your progress of the things that you've watched, the things you haven't watched. You can follow right along, and they're all about holding your hand through the process and overall just, you know, doing step by step. They literally are like, okay, here's how to do this, and pause when you need to pause and go implement, and then press play to learn more. So anyway, here's a new site, Transcend, right at the top here, high ticket accelerator. Kind of did a little rebranding about all this stuff. They chat about their mission, saying, you know, the combined efforts of, you know, over about 10 years of experience. And overall, this is what they're trying to teach is, hey, how can you earn $2,000 profit from one sell, and how can you duplicate that 10 or 20 times in just one single month and do it month after month? Well, these guys have been able to do that. How? Through Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, through chat bots, which they're all about creating an automation, but also having a personal touch as well. So chatbots are fantastic for that, because chatbots are automated, but then you literally can just hop right in while they're going through the chatbot and say, hey, Scott Anderson here. I see you're interested in this. I see you're concerned about this. Let's chat about this. And you can literally just, go over that. They do weekly over-the-shoulder trainings, which is so cool, right from Joshua. And then there's other trainings right from Brian. And they go into a lot of stuff. A really cool thing is that you can actually re-promote this program, as it is a high-ticket program, and earn 50% commission. Now, the biggest issue with everyone right now is the price. So things have changed with the price. And I wouldn't say it's an issue. It's paying for something that has value, right? Like, what is the value to learning how to make $10,000 to $20,000 a month? Well, if I know that I can make $10,000 in a month, the product is probably worth at least $10,000 if I know I can keep doing it month after month, right? Well, this product, it doesn't say on here, but it is a $5,000 product now for the Transcend high ticket accelerator. It's $4,997 as of right now. That is the price. It has gone from $2,500 to $2,997, pretty much $3,000, now to $5,000. And they're just looking at it as, okay, we're combining so much knowledge, so much experience, and people are seeing results. Why would we just give this to people? Premium education. And they are letting you have the opportunity of jumping in and learning from it, and then also re-promote this or implement it and apply it to your brick and mortar business or whatever it may be. But guys, these guys know what they're doing. Brian Dixon has a stellar course about Facebook marketing that I have followed. I have also followed Joshua Elder in his YouTube marketing, and I have learned and implemented stuff right from that. And it has helped me with my YouTube marketing with the limited time that I have. I'm seeing success there. So that's pretty much the new changes, guys. I hope this was helpful. And if you have been following me and you've have had interest or have shown interest, let me know literally within like the next 24 hours, because I can actually help you get it at the lower previous price. But if it's beyond that 24 hours, too bad. So anyway, if you are interested, click the link below and I can help you out and go from there. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you did, please give me a like and please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos about high ticket sales, affiliate marketing, making money online, etc. That is what my YouTube channel is all about. So here's some other videos. If you have time, watch them. And guys, I will see you in the next video.